Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on ETH USD? Now, from a weekly perspective, we have a market that has created a nice impulse followed by a nice correction. And we want to see the continuation to the upside for the completion of the impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Another thing that we can take from the weekly time frame is that after the impulse, if we want to measure the retracement, what are we supposed to be doing? Taking our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And what we can see is that the market clearly has rejected the zone inside of the 50 to the 0.618, aka the golden ratio. So it has rejected this zone to the upside. Also because that was exactly the previous resistance, not our support from a weekly perspective, and we expect the continuation to the upside. We go down on the daily time frame and what kind of situation we can see from a daily perspective. On the daily, we can see that the market has now, with this impulse, created a higher high. The previous high was here, the market has broken it to the upside, and this was the previous resistance, which is now turned support at this area. Therefore, we have a strong structure area at this level, which the market could definitely respect if the market will go back down and test this zone. Now, if we want to measure again this retracement, what do we have to do? We have to take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And we can clearly see that this structure here on the daily time frame is lining up with the zone inside of the 50 and 0.618, aka the golden ratio. So this is the structure support that the market currently has from a daily perspective. And it's a very strong confluence of support area, since it's aligning also with the structure, to which the market can make a retracement before the continuation to the upside. Now, we definitely do expect a retracement to the zone also because the market has created this W formation. So if you are interested in some intraday opportunities, there is definitely the opportunity to be looking to take the ETH USD back down to this level if obviously your strategy rules are satisfied. Now, how we will be approaching the market if the market will actually manage to reach this zone with students. We will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour time frame inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from a bearish market to a bullish market inside of the area. And as soon as the market will shift from a bearish market to a bullish market, we will add ETH USD on watch list. And when the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the upside, completion of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside, and creation of a higher high. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.